Valid, of course. We see before a bounce at the level 1. This will go on for as long as we please, and that's our trade management chart today. A while earlier, this is a 15-minute chart. We're hoping that we're gonna get a trigger. We know what a trigger is here. We want to see degree 1 on the 15 minutes and degree 3 on the 5 minutes. Well, of course, the sudden spike that happened now in the market, or the small corrective spike, any way you want to call it, that happened on the market also impacted Ripple, and we are still negative on the 15-minute chart. We believe this count is valid. There's a 1, 2, there's a 3, 4, there's a 5, there's an A and a B, A, B, C. We are at the moving average. Let's take a look at what's happened now. Is this? We're still at the moving average, but and we bounce at the top of a 1. We just now have probably double inverted heads at that point. Okay, so if we're long, we'd still retain our long, and we had moved the stop to 0.9. but I think we better keep it still at 0.7. You'll remember that 0.7 here, this is that level here, 0.78, and then below that is 0.7. At stop at 0.9 comes in at that red arrow. We expect the bounce should have confirmed by now in 4C, but maybe 4C is still gonna try and do lower levels, test higher degree level 1, this green one here. So we better have a stop, that stop at 0.7 and not 0.9. If you're already in the market, again, the trade is good, and we're holding all the way to 1.30, 1.38 and 1.39. The most immediate target on the 15-minute chart is 117 or 118 before we have a correction down to 112 again, and then we go to that 138. If we're not in the market yet, we would want to wait really until we have a confirmation on the 1-hour chart. I'm sorry, we have a confirmation on the 15-minute chart, because we still have negative momentum. You can see that on the 1-hour chart. So maybe we get deeper corrections, or we take the best, of course. Maybe we can go all the way down to 1.02, 1.02 and even 0.98 and 0.97. We check these several times, and therefore we'll wait for that standard confirmation, which is a degree 3 on the 5-minute charts and a degree 1 on the 15 minutes. We don't have that yet. So this is the 5-minute chart, so we don't really have that confirmation yet, and as such we will only take the best, and therefore if we're not already in the market, we would wait until we have positive momentum on the 15 and 5 minutes.